So I've got the trailer out of the garage and I've strengthened the floor with some waste wood, just screwed it to the floor. However, a support that came out, and I've reattached it with that metal plate down there, and I've got the spare wheel on and I've pumped the tyre up. I've also pumped up this tyre and screwed these things on a bit. Some of the screws are sticking out a bit jagged, and I've also got myself a trailer board with LED lights, so hopefully I don't get pulled when I'm coming or going with the new motorbike. So we're going to go down to Barnstable tomorrow morning dead early, and I've put a bid on a motorbike. It's a Honda CB750 KZ, and it's in sort of 2-hour drive away. So this 2-hour drive will involve going to go and get this motorbike and then bringing it back, and then hopefully then we can take the engine off and swap it over with the failed engine on the CB750 Custom. So but that will leave me with a spare frame from 1981. So I've got a V5 and a frame number, a VIN number and number plate, so hopefully I can pass that on to someone else who can then get a historic vehicle on the road. So I borrowed a motorcycle ramp, taking a spare battery and all the tools to change the tyre and case. I've got some straps to strap it down, and a jack, impact driver, some jump leads, hammer, adjustable spanner. So hopefully that will be enough. Anyway, keep watching and see what happens. So it's 6:30 in the morning and the trailer's on and the lights work. We're ready to go. Let's go pick up my brother. And,
after a 3-hour
we'll get going.
We got there and the bike was in the garage. We got it started, then loaded onto the trailer.
And we've just been listed. So, we'll come around this afternoon. Can you do after 6? Like, yeah, that's all fine. Now can you do telephone number? And then
20 miles down the road after buying it and strapping it down. I'm just going to check all the straps and make sure it's okay, but it feels pretty solid. Just a click on that one. Just a click on that one. These wheel nuts come loose when we're driving down. So moving around the car park, loading the bike, sort of wobbling around. Luckily I brought my impact driver, tightened it up. Got the seats and the fuel tank in the back of the car. Also we've got 2 sets of side covers, side panels. In really good nick, no rust at all, got no rust in the exhaust. The Marshall megaphone 4:1 is in really good nick, there's no scratches on the bottom. The engine's fairly clean, you know, the old original paint here is from the 80s, still there. It's quite, you know, I'd say the bike is pretty clean. We had it started, got some fuel in a drip. Battery came with it as well. Drum brake at the back. The tyres have got a few cracks on it, so we can see what year the tyres are. Now there's some serious cracking on the tyre, you can see that. Look at this. We want to be driving on that one, that's for sure. The indicators aren't wired up, but I don't know why he hasn't wired them up, but he said just plug them in, but yeah, whatever. Take the wiring loom off, that'll be worth a few quid. We've actually got the rubber on the gear shifter. I haven't got that on the other one. Check the oil. That's plastic. The one on mine is metal, so I'll probably swap them over. Right, fuel filter. (1981). The tyres of the trailer doing okay.
Okay, all set.
There we go. Marshall deep tone. I'm going to zoom in on this. Same as your PA system for your guitar. There's just no rust underneath the mud guard. Look at this, under here, it's all clean.
Cool.
Yep. So we stopped again to check the straps and the tyres, and we're doing okay. Yeah, it doesn't even move. Solid. Very pleased. Okay, so after a 3-hour drive, we've managed to get it back. We got it into the garage, and without a jockey wheel, it was quite difficult. So we had to get it as close as we could, which we've done. But the bike is now safely tucked away in the garage, so we've got space at the workshop. There we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see how we get on doing that engine switch.